I'm Justbuis from Wartigam Petigam. Together with my wife Mika, we have a sow farm with 500 sows. Our farm operates on a 2-week system, and every 14 days, 48 sows farrow, producing between approximately 500 and 600 piglets. In the year 2000, we built a sow barn for 150 sows, and in 2013, it needed to be a larger facility. We then decided to expand to 500 sows. And with that, we installed a complete cleaning system in our sow barn. A fixed hot water, high pressure installation with central piping. We used to have a mobile installation for cleaning as well. The larger you get, the easier things need to work. So we chose a fixed installation. You don't have to deal with cables and power cords or drag a cart around to clean again. Much easier. People do sometimes say it's as dirty as a pigsty, but hygiene is very important. Since we always completely clean and disinfect our barns, we also participate in the Certus label, and the requirement is that everything is sufficiently cleaned and disinfected. So for ourselves, it's pleasant to work in a clean barn. We actually get satisfaction from it. So yes, it's easier to work in a clean barn than in a dirty one. It gets cleaned every 14 days in the sow barn. When the farrowing pen is completely empty, once the piglets and sows are out, all the manure is removed, and then the soaking system is started. It is cleaned for 10 minutes every hour, and it is fully soaked once in the morning. Then you can start cleaning, and then actually degreasing. The foam we have applied now is intended to completely degrease the ironwork and the synthetic walls, so that the biofilm is gone, and so that when you clean, everything is removed. It's like washing dishes at home, and then start cleaning with warm water. So we have 2 pumps that each provide 90 liters per minute to clean with 2 people. We have 2 buttons. The first button is here for warm water at 40 degrees to clean the stables. And if we keep pushing, if it flashes, that's to wash a sow at 32 degrees. And we have another button. That is for entering the stables. Our sows are in a loose housing system, and we let them run free. Naturally, it enters the farrowing crate. Everything is cleaned. If you bring a clean sow into a clean room, it's also better when the piglet is born. It's clean for hygiene reasons alone. Washing the sows is done at a temperature of 32 degrees. Warm water cleans better, but it is also necessary to protect the unborn piglets. Now they are actually covered in foam with sow shampoo. We let that soak in a bit to loosen things up, and then we use low pressure. We are going to rinse them off. They're bath time. One by one, they arrive freshly washed in a clean stable. Yes, we actually chose Van Dam for when we have a problem with our installation. If we call, they are here to fix or resolve everything. That is very important because we have fixed days in our system, and when the day comes to clean, we have to clean that day. Because if we clean a day later, everything gets pushed back and we run into a problem. We have been working with a Van Dam installation for about 10 years now. So with Van Dam's service, we will probably be able to work with it for another 10 years.